Good morning, students. So, today is the first class of science, chapter number 1, crop production and management. So, let's start with this chapter. Before that, just a simple revision. You have learned that all the living organisms require food. सभी को food चाहिए, जितने भी living organisms हैं on the earth, yeah? Like plants can make their food themselves. पता है, पढ़ा है ना पहले भी. क्या प्रोसेस होती है वो? Yes, you're right. It's photosynthesis. Can you recall how green plants synthesize their food? Through process of photosynthesis? Yeah, through sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. ये आपने definition भी पढ़ी होगी. Now next, animals including humans cannot make their own food. हम लोग अपना फूड खुद नहीं बना सकते हैं. हम पका सकते हैं, बना नहीं सकते. And so all the animals and human beings depend on plants for their food. Now, next question is why do we all need to have to eat food? हमें खाना क्यों चाहिए? Yes, you already know that energy from the food is utilized by the organisms for carrying out their various body functions, जैसे digestion, respiration and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. Now, since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? कैसे हम सबको हम food provide कर सकते हैं on a large scale? उसके लिए food का large scale पे production होना जरूरी है. Yeah. So in order to provide food for a large population, regular production होनी चाहिए, proper management होना चाहिए and distribution. एक बार food हो गया तो distribution भी एक process होती है. तो इन सारी processes को हम इसी chapter में देखेंगे. Now first thing to study is let's see what is crop. The science that deals with the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals for human use is called agriculture, and when plants of same kind are grown on a large scale, they are called crops. उसे हम कहते हैं crops. For example, if crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. The crops divided on the basis of seasons in which they are grown. Crops को हम दो ग्रुप्स में या दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन सीजन. एक क्रॉप होते हैं जो मानसून सीजन में ग्रो किए जाते हैं और एक क्रॉप्स होते हैं जो विंटर सीजन में ग्रो किए जाते हैं. फॉर मानसून सीजन वी कॉल देम खरीफ क्रॉप्स. व्हाट आर खरीफ क्रॉप्स? These crops grow in the monsoon season in the month of June and harvested in the month of September. And for example, paddy is the main kharif crop. I can give you some more example of kharif crops. They are maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Next are rabi crops. These are grown in the winter season in the month of October. They are sown and harvested in the month of March. March में उनको harvest किया जाता है. Nearly summers आ जाते हैं. Like wheat is the main rabi crop और उसके कुछ और examples हैं gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So next we are going to see the major agricultural practices involved in the crop production and management. So now the major agricultural practices involved in crop production and management are listed below. जो सारी agricultural practices carry out की जाती है क्या होती है? They are simple. Farming जो है जैसे आप regular आप देख सकते हैं एक जो gardener processes use करता है ना, हम क्या करते हैं कोई भी plant हमें अगर हमें घर पे लगाना है तो first of all हम seeds को soil में plant करते हैं, right? सीड्स फिर उसको वाटर रेगुलरली वाटर करना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू टेक केयर. उसको ऐसी जगह पे रखना पड़ता है जहाँ पे उसको अच्छे से सनलाइट मिले, एयर मिले. तो एक फार्मिंग जो प्रोसेस है वो सिंपल प्रोसेस ही है. कुछ स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व हैं. यू कैन सी दीज आर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, sowing of seeds, addition of manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. Please make note of these points. These are important steps which are included in agriculture. Now one by one we will discuss all these. Let's start with preparation of soil. Preparation of soil actually is the most important step in agriculture. So it is the first step and also the important step. इसमें क्या किया जाता है? The soil is loosened and tilted before the seeds are sown. Soil को थोड़ा loose किया जाता है, tilt करना, turning it up and from inside to out. Turning of the soil is known as tilting. Plows are used for the purpose. Plow आपको पता है, हल चलाते हैं किसान. ये आप लोगों ने मूवीज में या पुराने काफी सारे गांव में ये सब बातें सुनी होंगी. या if the soil contains big lumps, they are broken with the help of a hoe. अगर lumps गड्ढे पड़ जाते हैं soil में तो उसे एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज होता है, hoe. आपको फिगर दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे एक फिगर अटैच्ड है, इसे हम hoe कहते हैं. hoe क्या है? hoe is actually a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. एक blade, sharp blade की तरह काम करता है. It is pulled by animals. So this process aerates the soil so that the roots breathe easily. Soil को loosen करती है, उसको हवा मिले, जैसे soil के सभी parts को, roots को एक अच्छे से breathing process हो सके, इसलिए ये process helpful है. The nutrients and minerals get properly mixed with the soil and come at the top. Thus, the fertility of the soil increases. Soil एक fertile soil, उसकी fertility increase हो जाती है and is fit for plantation. अभी हमारा soil है वो completely fit है for plantation. It is prepared soil. After that, the next step is sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds के लिए पहले सबसे जरूरी step है. It is also an important part of crop production. Yeah. But before sowing, good quality, infection-free seeds are collected and sown on the prepared land. जो land prepare की गई है इससे पहले first step में preparation of soil में, उसमें अभी हमें seeds sow करने. Good quality seeds, आप देखेंगे एक activity दी गई है. Good quality of seeds कैसे पहचानेंगे? Just you take one beaker half filled with water और उसमें कुछ seeds डाल दो. For example, wheat के seeds डाल दो और जो ये सीड्स हैं उनको पानी में डाल दो. जब देखेंगे कुछ सीड्स हैं वो नीचे सिंक डाउन हो जाएंगे, कुछ फ्लोट करेंगे, और जो फ्लोटेड सीड्स जो फ्लोट कर रहे हैं वो लाइटर इन वेट है, मतलब वो डैमेज सीड्स हैं, हमें वो नहीं सिलेक्ट करने. उसके लिए मैंने एक वीडियो शेयर किया है, आपको दिखाऊंगी नेक्स्ट में. नाउ द सीड्स शुड बी सोन एट प्रॉपर डेप्थ एंड प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस. उनके बीच में डेप्थ डिस्टेंस प्रॉपर होना चाहिए और उसको प्रॉपर डेप्थ पे हमें सो करना है. फॉलोइंग आर द वेरियस मेथड्स यूज्ड टू सो द सीड्स, लाइक ट्रेडिशनल टेक्निक्स एंड ड्रिल. Now yes, you can see there is two methods shown for sowing. First is traditional method of sowing and next is seed drill. ये दोनों methods हैं जो sowing में use होते हैं. Seed drill एक new technique है जो tractors के through किए जाते हैं. For this purpose, I will show you one video in which also this activity is included, which I discussed earlier about the selection of good quality of seeds. So just have a look on this video. I think you will find it helpful. Yeah.
Once plowing is done, next step is sowing. Before sowing, farmers select good quality seeds to get high yields. Have you ever noticed your mother putting some grains in a vessel and pouring some water to it? What happens after a few minutes? Some seeds start to float. What is the reason behind this? Some damaged seeds float on water because they are hollow and hence lighter. Actually, this is a good method for separating good, healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Now let us see what are the tools used for sowing seeds. Look at this farmer. He has a funnel-shaped tool for sowing seeds. Observe them closely. What is he doing with this tool? Yes, he is filling seeds into the funnel and passing them down through the sharp ends of the pipe to get them seeded in the soil. This is a traditional method and very easy. Nowadays, farmers use modern seed drills for sowing with the help of tractors. I'm sure you are wondering how this seed drill works. It sows the seeds uniformly at proper distance and depth, ensuring that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This process also saves a lot of time and labor.
So students, you have seen the video. कैसा लगा? Just check out. ये सारे processes आपको easily समझ में आ गए होंगे. Next video में हम next दूसरे steps पे discuss करेंगे. Thank you students.